Exploring idiomatic expressions. Take the air. Hello and welcome, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the picturesque world of idiomatic expressions. We're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, take the air. This is a classic English idiom that paints a vivid image while conveying a simple action. So, let's breathe in the details and enrich our English vocabulary together. When someone says they're going to take the air, they mean they are going out to get some fresh air, typically by going for a walk outside. It's a phrase that evokes a sense of relaxation and connection with nature. It's not just about the physical act. It's also about the refreshing feeling that comes with it. The phrase, take the air, has a charmingly old-fashioned ring to it. It originated in a time when people believed in the health benefits of fresh air. Doctors even prescribed it for various ailments. This idiom reflects the historical importance of nature in daily life and well-being. Now, let's put this phrase into action. You might say, after being indoors all day, I really need to take the air and clear my head. Or, they went to the countryside to take the air and enjoy the tranquility. Notice how it's used to describe a leisurely, often healthful activity. There are several other expressions with similar meanings. For example, step out, or get some air, are more modern equivalents. Each of these can be used interchangeably, depending on the context and the tone you wish to convey. That's a wrap on our exploration of take the air. Remember, idiomatic expressions like this one add color and depth to our conversations. They're the special touches that make language learning exciting. We hope you feel inspired to step outside and take the air yourself. Until next time, keep learning and keep curious.